Forex Planet.
Hello guys, this is me your host, and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So basically this is the chart of gold, and before starting the video, if you are new on this platform, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon so you will get the notification every time when we upload a new video. Okay, so this is gold and this is H4 chart, and let's try to analyze the gold according to the higher time frames. Okay, so this is monthly chart, and on monthly chart the gold has just completed its structure, which structure? Three soldier pattern. And what is this structure? Let's talk about this. First we have a green candle. Okay, so and the consecutive we have a two green candles. Then there is a chances that the third candle will also be green. Why? Because this is a pattern known as three soldier pattern, and if we have three soldier pattern formation, then there is a 95% chances that the fourth candle will also be green. Let me prove with an example. If we have three candles, the fourth candle will be green 95%. Okay, so am I speaking truth or wrong? Let's try to find out. First of all, we have three candles and the fourth candle is red, which means our setup is brutally failed. Okay, so again we have three candles here, the fourth candle is also green, which means our setup is completely satisfied. And once again we have three candles, the fourth candle is also green, and here we have three green candles and the next candle is also the green one. So this is a three soldier pattern formation, and in which this the accuracy of this setup is almost over 80%. Okay, so now let's try to find out other things. This is not only valid for bullish, this is also valid for bearish move. Why bearish move? We have three red candles plus the fourth candle is also green, and again we have three red candles plus fourth candle plus three candle plus fourth candle. Okay, so this setup is nearly we have accuracy more than 80%. Okay, so according to the monthly chart, we have got that the gold has just completed its structure, and as you can see we have seen the structure here as well. Three candles plus other candles, and here you can find out three candles, the fourth candle. Okay, so this is 1 week chart, and 1 week chart I am very happy to analyze that once we have a trend line like this and a trend line like this. Okay, I have also explained this setup, the X setup, to you in my previous week video. So here let me try to find out and let me try to explain that what is going to happen. First I have explained earlier, and now I am going to explain the same thing. This was a resistance level. This area is very important because in forex the closing of the candle matters. Although we have a green candle wick, but the closing is below the resistance level, which means this was a fake breakout. But now the gold has not only broken the structure, as you can see, it has given a closing above the resistance level. That's why I was in the bullish from the previous week, and this week the condition is also very similar. Now the gold can retrace towards this trend line and then it can move away, then its first resistance level and maybe the new all-time highs. Okay, so this was according to weekly time frame. Let's move to day one. In day one, we can find many precise movement of the gold. First of all, the low trend line area, okay, and second again the higher trend line area. What is this? This is a junction of candles. The good news is that the gold is trying to hold above its previous resistance zone. Okay, so this is a previous resistance zone, and this is a current scenario of the gold. Here we have two or three positive thing and one negative thing. Positive thing is that the gold is trying to hold above the trend line. Holding means the gold no candle is closed below the red zone. If there is a closing of red candle below the red zone, then definitely it will reject towards this line, which is known as 4136. If gold keep on rejecting on this zone, then we will see a strong bullish engulfing candle in the upside direction, and the gold will make new all-time highs. Okay, so this is the good news. And second news is that if you will just move the zone above the surface, then the closing of the candle is not happened done in the upside direction, which means these areas are very important. Let's copy the area and we can try to clone. Okay, so this is the structure of the market right now by the gold, and gold is trying to move in between these two areas. Yes, it has given fake breakouts in the upside direction and in the lower side direction couple of times, but this area is very important. Now the final verdict is that if the gold is going to break the structure in the upside direction, we will see a major rise in the gold towards the first resistance level, which is 4350. And if there is a breakout in the structure of the gold in the downside direction, just like that, if gold break its structure below the direction, then it can retest this trend line or it can retest this trend line. So both the scenarios are positive right now, but for me the bullish momentum is strong as the new air is coming, and on the new air the gold try to move higher highs due to its demand. Okay, so let's move to h4 so we can find out the final verdict of the code. So we have sell, we should sell or buy it. Again the trend line, just like that, and once again the zone. So in this trend line you have find out that this is a triangle pattern. This is a rising triangle pattern. Why rising? Let me show you with the help of an example. In rising triangle pattern, the upper surface remains constant. Constant means there is no new high on the surface, and the lower trend line try to move just like that. Okay, so one thing is very common in that structure: the every low, okay, the every high make by the market will be higher than the previous high. Okay, so this is an example of rising trend line, which is also known as ascending type of triangle. So here you can also find out that the structure is very similar. Let's draw it again. This is, and this is. Okay, the structure is very similar. This is the first low, the second low is higher than the first low, the third low is higher than the second, the fourth low is higher than the fifth, and now here the market will make a low if it try to break below that structure. So for now the gold is in the bullish direction, and we have just wait for the market. If there is a strong bullish engulfing pattern in the gold, just like that, on h4 candle time frame, which will engulf the zone. Which zone? This one. If gold engulf that zone with a strong bullish engulfing candle and it closes above the structure, then we are going to take a strong 100% entry on the retest in the gold. So this was all about gold. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.